What's up guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafea. I am the owner of this channel. There is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button and turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Today's video is not a Makeup Monday video. Today's video is basically my intro into the new year. So yes, it is officially 2022. Let's drink to that because what a year 2021 was. Let me get my shot. Cups up. Here we go. I don't know about you, but for me, last year it was a disaster. I don't want to talk about it, I don't want to hear about it. So, on to the new year I go. No, this year, 2022, I have literally never anticipated a year. Like, New Year's was just a neutral thing for me. But with all the things that happened last year, I don't know, something inside of me just couldn't wait for this year. Like, I am so excited for the new year. I am anxious for the new year. I am anticipating what is in store for me in this new year, and I've never been the type of person to feel this way about the new year. As I said, New Year's, they're always casual for me, but last year made me realize a lot of stuff. Last year made me want to make some different changes for sure. Like, I kid you not, I was never the cliche type to say new year, new me. I was never the cliche type to post stuff saying, oh, I'm going to change for the new year, this and the third. I was never that type. But this year, I am, and I am going to be proud about it. Hopefully, some stuff that I say, the universe will catch it, channel it, and make it into my favor. For this new year, I literally can feel good energy on my path. I feel like something good is about to happen for me for the new year. I am putting it out in the universe so it can become true because I really do feel like I deserve it, as well as I am going to be on my A game to make that outcome true, because y'all know they say that God help those who help themselves. So you cannot put something out in the universe or just pray about something if you're not helping yourself as well. I really do have some changes to make. First things first, I am not a person of time. If you know me well, you will know that time is the master for me. It's definitely whooping my ass with the whip because time, but on that part, I am working on it. I am putting a reset button on time management because the new year has already started. By the time I post this video, it's going to be like the first week of January, and so far into January, my time management it's not overpowering me, but it's not on the level that I want it to be, but I am working on it. So my reset button for the new year with my time management is February the 1st. So I'll give you guys an update. This new year, I wish upon myself better And when I say growth, I mean growth, not just like a level up, but 2 to 3 levels up. I am not being or trying to be ungrateful. If it's a level up, it will be fine with me. But like I said, I'm going to try my best to put work into a lot of things that I do, so that will boost me to 2 more levels or 1 more level. I wish upon myself more confidence. Like, I feel like I am not confident enough to be comfortable, if that makes sense. Yeah, it does make sense. From your point of view, looking in on me, you probably would be like, what is this girl saying? She's on YouTube, or she's basically a social media frenzy. So what type of confidence is she? I know myself, and I know that I need more confidence, so I'm wishing that upon myself in a lot of areas, to be exact. So yes, that is one of my wish. For some reason, I feel like this year there is just a lot in store for me. Like, I don't know if it's because I was never a New Year frenzy type of person, but I am definitely feeling the groove for the new year, and I am going to work on myself for this year to make me better, to make me greater. Where there is like personal aspects, I'm definitely planning to work on those as well. As it regards to my channel, I do have a lot in store. It is just that with COVID still in our presence, I feel like it is going to be a tad bit hard for me, but I'm taking that back. I'm not putting it in the universe. I am definitely going to work on it, because I do realize that you guys are actually serious about the stuff that I do on here. I literally do read the stuff that you guys send me. I literally do see the stuff in the comments. It is only fair, it is only right. I put my best foot forward, because that's the type of person I am. If you are 50 with me, I am going to be 50 with you. No doubts, no questions about it. I know that in my intro I say thank you guys for the love and support, but it is not something I say just to be cliche. I do really appreciate the love and the support, because most of you guys, you don't really know me like that, and to see you watch my stuff, to see the likes on my videos, and to see the positive comments on my videos, that's a great thing for me. In my head, I'm saying, who would have thought? That is why I really want to be more bold or confident per se, to go out of my comfort zone on the videos that I already have on my channel. So I want to stop basing most of my videos in my little environment here. But like I said, it's not really that I have the opportunity to, and I'm not doing it. Like I said, COVID in my country, it's like this big old barrier. There's a lot of restrictions on every and anything, but hopefully this will all be over soon. Yeah, so that's basically my little New Year resolution clip. It's not too detailed, and it's not too drastic, but I said a few important stuff. By the grace of God, I will, by the grace of God, I will see them through. The universe will help me, and I will put my best foot forward to help myself. And I cannot be selfish. So for the upcoming year, for my family, for my friends, for you, my support system, I want to wish nothing but grace, goodness, and multiple success. You cannot just pray for yourself. You cannot just hope for your journey to be smooth. You have to shine a little light on somebody else's path, or you have to try to shine a little of your light on somebody else's path. So yeah, for my support system, my friends, my families, I do wish you guys a happy year ahead, and I wish that your wishes do come true as well. Once more, the year ahead, it is going to be a great one. It's going to be a successful one. I claim it in the name of Jesus. That is it from me in today's video, guys. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.